All right, buddy, we're here. Remember what we practiced? It's gonna be quick.
But it still feels a little scary. You'll be okay, Jace. It's just a checkup.
We're almost there, sweetie. I know you feel nervous, but we are right here with you.
Always, son.
We will check your tooth, ask questions, and leave together. All right, Jace, we're here. We're right here with you. I don't want to go in.
Take a breath, Jace. We go in together.
The clinic is clean and bright. Jace looks around carefully. Good morning. Welcome to our clinic. Hello.
Good morning, Jace. Come in, and we will check your tooth today.
Okay. Thank you, doctor. Do I have to?
Just for a checkup, son.
Look.
What is it, Jace?
Inside the box, there is a tiny baby turtle. It looks very tired.
You are right. This turtle looks weak. And this place feels wrong.
Dad, it looks tired. It does not look like a happy pet.
The box says Lucky Water Pet, but this does not look lucky.
Mom says, stay gentle, Jace. We need to ask before we do anything.
Doctor, where did you get this turtle? It looks like a sea turtle. I found it in the wild. No. It is not a sea turtle. It is just a water turtle. If it is only a water turtle, why does it look so weak? You are here for your tooth, Jace, not for my pet.
Open your mouth, please. I will try, but my heart is still with the turtle.
You can feel worried and still be brave, my sweet boy.
The dentist checks Jace's tooth carefully. Your tooth is looking good, Jace.
Thanks, Dr. Chen.
We'll see you next time.
My tooth is okay, but that turtle is not okay.
Your tooth is fine. Brush better at night and you will be okay. Now you must leave.
Thank you, doctor. The little turtle keeps pushing the glass. It looks like it is asking for help. Little turtle, I am leaving now, but I will not forget you. Dad, I see a paper under the box and it says Old Pier.
Old pier? Let me see. Do not touch it. Just remember it, and I will remember too.
Jace also sees a blue string under the table near the turtle box. He remembers it.
The checkup is finished. Please pay at the front desk.
Jace does not want to leave. But he knows he cannot just take the turtle.
We help by using our heads, not by breaking rules.
I will call Wildlife Rescue and tell them everything we saw.
Please tell them. It is very small and very tired.
Hello. We saw a baby turtle kept inside a dentist office. You think it may be a sea turtle? They said if it is a sea turtle, it needs help today. Not tomorrow, not next week. Today. We need clear details before the officer arrives. The paper said Old Pier and the dentist looked nervous.
Got it.
The clue leads them away from the office and back toward the sea.
Stay close, Jace.
Okay, Dad.
A brave heart still needs careful feet.
They arrive at the old pier.
This is the Old Pier.
The turtle was probably here this morning.
Sea turtles caught in nets must be reported.
Oh. Someone knew what to do.
Are you looking for something near my boat? We are looking for information about a baby turtle caught this morning.
Yes, I remember. What do you need to know?
I found one, but I did not know it was a big problem. The sign says to call rescue. Selling the turtle can hurt it.
I know, you're right.
We need to protect them. Thank you.
I understand.
I thought money was easy. But maybe I made a bad choice.
Jace sees a blue string. It looks exactly like the one near the turtle box at the dentist.
I will take photos so the officer can understand the whole story.
The officer is near the dentist office now. We must go back.
Yes, let's go.
Tell the officer I will explain what happened this morning. Okay.
The family moves quickly back to the dentist office. The turtle needs help today.
The curtains are half closed now. They were open before.
Dad says quietly, he is covering the turtle box. He is trying to hide it.
Stay back, honey. We help best when we stay safe.
The dentist may be moving the turtle now. We are outside.
Glycla,
Yes, that's correct.
the small box is moving. I think the turtle is inside. I want to run there. But I know that could make danger bigger. Waiting is hard. But right now, waiting is the brave choice.
Hello, I'm the wildlife officer. Oh, officer, thank goodness you're here. She's in the bushes over there. She's hurt.
Don't worry, we'll take care of her.
Who reported the baby sea turtle in this dentist office?
We did.
We also found photos from the old pier.
The dentist said it wasn't a sea turtle.
And now he's hiding it?
Yes, look, blue string in the pier. He's leaving.
Thank you. Stay here and let me check the box safely. Sir, please stop and put the box down on the ground.
Oh, officer, The dentist says with a gasp, this is not a sea turtle. It is only my water pet. The photos show the old pier, the warning sign, and your box.
Please be alive, little turtle. Please still have enough strength.
He's stable, Jace.
The officer comes outside with the box. Jace runs close but stops himself. The officer looks at the turtle carefully. It is alive, but it needs rescue care and ocean water today.
Oh, thank goodness! I wanted something special. But I made a selfish mistake.
Jace says it is not just special, it is alive, and it deserves a home.
Dr. Chen murmurs, you are right, Jace.
The turtle was taken from the sea, and now it is going back. They arrive at the ocean. This place feels right. The ocean looks ready to welcome the turtle back. The officer places the little turtle on the sand. We let it crawl by itself so it can feel the sand again. Slowly, the little turtle begins to crawl. It moves toward the ocean. It is going home.
The first wave touches the turtle, and it wakes up. It starts to move faster.
The little turtle swims into the ocean. It is free. It is going home.
Go home, little friend. I hope the sea feels warm again.
You were scared today, but your kind heart stayed very strong. A small animal can still have a very big story.